Hello guys, today we're going to be reviewing this Vanity lamp by LMS. We're going to be replacing the one that's existing with this one. This lamp has bubble effect crystals. Each one of these lamps have LEDs, and those LEDs are 16 watts, which equals to a 60-watt bulb. One of the main features of this lamp is that you can actually change the intensity of the light by just moving this switch, which goes from 3000K, 4000K, or 5000K, and it's up to your preference. That's enough light to light up any room. The lamp looks so modern that it can go in any space. This lamp comes ready to install. You don't need to actually put together anything. It comes as you see it right now. The bracket on the back, it's actually secured by 4 screws, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom, which in order to install you need to remove. Now let's go ahead and install this lamp. The first step and the most important one is to secure this bracket onto the wall. You're going to be doing that by placing this against the wall and putting a level on top of it so that way you know that it's leveled. Once you have that, then you're going to mark the 4 holes that are already done on the mount, and you're going to mount this to the wall. Once you get this done, then everything else is much simpler. This step is very simple, connecting the ground to the ground, the white to the white, and the black to the black. Okay, let's go ahead and test the light. There you go. Let's test the 3 colors. That's a warm, that's a 4000, and that's a 5000. Okay, so we're done with the installation. Let's go ahead and see how the lights work and how you can change the temperature on the light. Okay, this is our lowest light, which is a 3000K. This is the 4000K, and this is the 5000K. We have done the installation and showed you all the features and all the temperatures of the light. The light definitely looks amazing on this bathroom. It definitely gives it a more modern look. Definitely this lamp is very versatile. You can install it anywhere in the house that you have the space for a lamp like this. It will definitely give it a better look. I really want to thank you for watching and see you on the next video.